really is that most of the properties which is supposedly owned by the city is not yet titled in the city's name because there are some documentations that have not been accomplished. So we will try to follow it up with the REPTAF of the Task Force on Real Properties in Davao City to make sure that we are able to recover, if not 100%, at least even 1/4 of all the properties which should be titled in the city's name. So with the inventory we have already accomplished, everybody or every councillor is entitled or is allowed to get a copy of that from the REPTAF. We also have the para matawag yan, parang Google Earth, at web map of all the properties, so you can see there from the city planning where the actual city-owned properties are located throughout the city of Davao City. So my committee is now waiting for suggestions from the other offices or from the city council if they wish to have these properties utilized, no? Because we're very short siguro on infrastructure for some of the offices here in the city. Really, we can utilize portions or parts of these properties which we own. We are also short on parking spaces. Maybe we can locate there or identify properties within the city that can be used as parking places. So the committee will try to look into that so that we're able to utilize fully all our resources. So we're not short on properties. In fact, it's one thick book or list of properties. So it will take time, but the list is there. We just have to study it further. So that's what I can promise to deliver for this year, January 2026, or year 2026.